Hey there, fellow AI enthusiasts. In this lesson, we're delving into the fascinating era between the birth of the term artificial intelligence and the roaring 80s. Brace yourselves, because the years from 1957 to 1979 were a rollercoaster ride for AI research, a mix of breakthroughs, struggles, and some seriously cool creations. Let's rewind to the late 50s and 60s, an era of pure creation. John McCarthy, the genius behind the Dartmouth workshop, didn't stop at coining the term artificial intelligence. Nope, in 1958, he gifted the world LISP. LISP was founded on the mathematical theory of recursive functions. LISP became a common language for artificial intelligence. And guess what? LISP is still hanging around, proving that McCarthy's brainchild has stood the test of time. Meanwhile, Arthur Samuel, while exploring the world of chess, casually dropped the term machine learning in a speech. Little did he know that he was christening a field that would become the backbone of modern AI. Samuel's vision echoed through the years, influencing how machines learn and adapt. Jumping into the 60s, we witnessed the birth of the Unimate, the first industrial robot flexing its metallic muscles on the assembly line at General Motors. Handling tasks deemed too risky for humans, Unimate marked a groundbreaking moment in the marriage of AI and industry. Edward Feigenbaum and Joshua Lederberg weren't far behind, birthing the first expert system in '65. This system mimicked human expertise, paving the way for AI to replicate complex decision-making processes. And let's not forget Joseph Weizenbaum, the mastermind behind Eliza, the original chatbot that played the role of a mock psychotherapist. Eliza used natural language processing to engage in human-like conversations, setting the stage for the chatbots we chat with today. Now, fast forward to 1973, and the spotlight shifts to Soviet mathematician Alexei Ivakhnenko, who laid the groundwork for what we now call deep learning. His group method of data handling proposed a new approach that would revolutionize AI in the years to come. However, the 70s had its fair share of struggles. James Lighthill's report to the British Science Council in 1973 marked a low point, questioning the progress of AI and leading to reduced support from the British government. Tough times indeed. But fear not, the 70s wrapped up on a high note. James L. Adams showcased the Stanford Cart in 1979, a trailblazer in the world of autonomous vehicles. Successfully navigating a room full of chairs without human intervention, the Stanford Cart foreshadowed the autonomous revolution we see today. To cap it all off, in 1979, the American Association of Artificial Intelligence, which later became the Association for the Advancement of Artificial Intelligence or AAAI, was founded, marking a crucial step in bringing together minds dedicated to advancing the frontiers of AI. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the maturation of AI from 1957 to 1979. Stay curious and keep riding the AI wave. See you in the next lesson.